Hi, Ksenia. Hi. Okay, so you're here for a treatment today, right?
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about what you're looking for. I know that we recently lightened your hair.
I just want really good texture back and like my curl definition. My hair just gets really dry and just want it to be more hydrated.
Yeah, for sure you need that bounce back in your hair with the bleaching and the dryness. It really does affect your curl pattern. So today I'm gonna do one of the best treatments out there right now, which is for bonding and strengthening. BONDFINITY Treatment and Fortify Booster plus the Rich to Cream oil creates the strongest bond. The Purifying Shampoo provides deep cleansing repair, removes impurities and product buildup without stripping hair's moisture while locking in hair's own keratin, providing long-lasting strength. It leaves the hair refreshed and renewed. The BONDFINITY Treatment intensively replenishes damaged structures and provides advanced smoothness, shine, improved combability, locking in hair's own keratin while providing long-lasting resilience and elasticity. Fortify Booster is a concentrate with multi-peptides to strengthen and replenish damaged or overprocessed hair, leaving it revitalized and resistant against further breakage. Both the light oil and the Rich to Cream oil have 5-oil complex, which gives the hair an extra-nourished hair feel. Okay, Ksenia, how are we feeling after the treatment?
I love it so much. It's so much more defined.
I mean, your hair's been through it, and honestly, look at this. It looks like you got a haircut.
So what can I do to, upkeep the healthiness of it?
CLINIX has a beautiful line called the Deep Frizz line. So I'm gonna recommend the shampoo, leave-in and mask, and also the CLINIX cream to oil. I actually put this in your mask when I did your treatment, and it's amazing.
Okay, awesome.